Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Out Electronic. This is Uncle Misha. Today we got this Wave Radon from Airthings. This is Smart Radon Monitor, Detecteur de Radon Intelligent. And I decided to go for it to double check my radon level in the house and monitor it in real time because our area, Ottaway, is actually located in a high elevated hotspot area of radon emission. Okay, so if for those guys who doesn't know what radon is, it's a gas which decays and emit alpha particles, and it is emitted, not emitted actually, it seeps through the cracks in Canadian Shield, in other rocky formations probably around the world, but specifically in Canadian Shield in our area. And when it's accumulated, it's heavier than air and accumulated in lower lying areas, for example, caves, for example, probably caves, okay? But in this case, in household basements, it accumulates. And obviously, when people inhale it, and when level is elevated, people inhale it. And because it's alpha emitter, it can cause some inadvertent sickness. Well, they call it cancer. So radon is second leading cause of lung cancer. It goes modescent. This I'm not sure, like, I mean, I don't know the numbers, so I'm gonna run some statistics, but nevertheless, this is something important and better to have it checked. So I decided to get this thing and let it run to see what we have, what kind of radon level we have in the house here. And I will be able to check different places, but this specifically will be installed in one specific place in the basement, or maybe in some different areas of the house from time to time, to see the levels of radon. Alright, so what the good things about it? This particular guy has an app. It can talk to your phone through Bluetooth. I'm not sure if it can talk via the Wi-Fi, but it says Amazon Alexa and Bluetooth. So yeah, it is Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi would be cooler because it would be able to monitor this stuff through when you are not home. But okay, we can live with that. Okay, very interesting contraption. I'm not sure if there is a difference because this clearly seems like a Canadian version of it. They just slipped this sleeve over that. This is like American version. It says designed in Norway. Other stuff right here, pretty much the same stuff. But here it says free 5-year warranty available. So we have to double check if we have this 5-year warranty available. Manufactured by Airthings ASA. Manufactured in Tunisia, of all places. It's manufactured in Tunisia. Very interesting, very interesting. Didn't see many places manufactured in Tunisia. All right, so okay, let's just open it and see what we got here. There is a seal. Have to break the seal here. So I got this thing on a substantial sale from Amazon. I'm not sure why. It was pretty much half price, but I decided to get it. Otherwise, these devices are pretty expensive. So this was 109 Canadian dollars, which is, I think, pretty okay price for smart device of such caliber. All right, so here we are. Smart radon detector. And here are some information on that. Do we have like QR code for the app? Create an account using the app. Download the Airthings Wave app. Follow in-app instruction to connect. It says Airthings Wave data through Airthings dashboard. Blah blah blah. Not Airthings. Why saying Airthings? I do not know. Very simple user manual, and here's the device itself. Pretty nice device, not too small actually. Is it? What the heck is that supposed to mean? Oh yeah, oh, it's magnetic. Cool. So it's magnetic base. I think magnet is, yeah. Magnet is right here. This is just the base. Do not put this close to your cassettes, my friends. They're gonna be Interesting. So this battery, probably this is like 3 volts, I guess, because this one has a tab, this one doesn't. Questions, issues, feedback. All right. Regulatory information and mounting. Ooh, look at those, or these. Look at that mounting screw. All right. So we have a little silica gel, mounting screw, regulatory information. Okay, and user manual. So I guess let's just follow the user manual here. Number 1, Bluetooth is enabled, battery tab is pulled. Let's get my phone. Bluetooth is enabled, battery tab is pulled. Okay, we have 2 cool looking batteries. Never seen this ProCell constant before. Let's install the app. It's called download the Air. It would be nice if they put QR code here. It would be so much easier. Alright guys, so after like going through downloading, creating my account, then going through some basic questions about privacy settings and adding location of the house. Now I am at the part when I have to add the device. So let's add the device. Grant permissions, allow. Okay, well, it sees only one device. Add device. Okay, so software update need to be done. So they want to do software update. All right, let's continue after that. All right, so this has been added. Next, it's loading. Okay. So now it wants batteries to be. Geez, like it's very hard. Okay, this battery is. This battery is for some reason very hard to remove. All right, one is removed. Second one is removed and then inserted back. Okay, let's continue. Done. Close. Okay, so now you're gonna see quick access tip. Device settings, close. Data will be available in 1 hour. Oh yeah, for real. Yeah, data will be, the radon sensor needs to gather data for 30 more days. What does that supposed to mean? It takes time to build a true piece of picture of how radon is affecting your home. Radon levels indoors often fluctuate from day to day and week to week. This makes it valuable to calculate the average radon level for over 30 days or even more. Learn more. Okay, probably gonna send me to website. Alright, so gonna read that back. Alright, so I guess we have to wait. So this is where it's supposed to show our units. So it looks like value. So it looks like this thing is measuring in becquerel per cubic meter. So there is also different. This is the becquerel per cubic meter is a Canadian standard. All right, my friends. So here we are. About 12 hours has gone by, and finally I got some readings. So I must say that this thing, it says. When I was saying like you need 1 hour to get a reading, no, it took probably about 4 to 5 hours to actually get some readings. And here we are. So in the next day morning, today almost 8 a.m. and we have range 53 to 56 becquerel per square meter, and we have average 54. Oops. So I think it first of all took quite a lot of time, probably because this thing is battery powered. So in the basement we have 54 becquerel per square meter at this moment. Obviously that's why they say here that you have to do measurements over the 30 days, because different atmospheric weather conditions can affect radon measurements. Also, probably tectonic activities could affect the radon measurements additionally to everything. So we have to accumulate average over quite a time, over 30 days, 1 month, and then this gonna be indicative of what's going on. So I think so far so good. I'm pretty happy. First of all, pretty happy that this is not bad. So 56, that's really good. So this is a peace of mind, and I hope it's gonna stay that way. I'm gonna test in different places in the house, obviously, mostly in the basement, because this is where the tendency is to accumulate radon. But so far, so good. So I think I'm gonna wrap up with this review. I kind of like this unit. Obviously, time will tell what we're gonna see. Unfortunately, I don't have any other unit to compare. It'll be really nice to actually compare it with the other unit and see what's the value. But you know, it takes time to actually acquire. So even if you borrow the unit from someone for like a few hours or for a day, it still need to work and gather data. Yeah, another one of the options will be to buy something else. We'll see. All right, so we're gonna wrap up for today. This unit is actually pretty cool. Time will tell how it's how it's gonna perform, what it's gonna show, and precision should be more or less on ballpark. So first of all, thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe and ciao.